Are you the manager of a small company, or are you working at one? Are you struggling with psychosocial risk factors, such as work-related stress, workplace conflicts, or mental health issues, like depression or burnout?
You are not alone. Half of EU workers consider stress to be common in the workplaces, and stress has contributed to around half of all lost working days.
In addition, 1 in 6 workers experience mental health challenges in the European Union. These problems can affect you in any position, at any workplace. Fortunately, you now have a solution at your fingertips.
We have made a free, practical and easy-to-use toolkit for you. By using the Mental Health Matters First Aid Kit, you are prepared for solving and preventing psychosocial risks of your workplace and for promoting workability and mental health. First Aid Kit can help you identify, evaluate and act on psychosocial risks of the workplace, both on a collective and an individual level. Just navigate to our website with your phone or laptop. No apps needed. Go to mentalhealth.ndbhs.org.
Psychosocial and mental health issues are not always easily solved. But remember, even small adjustments can transform workplace wellness.